It's gangsta grind music. Hook like drugs. Free my nigga Harry Bentley, getting to the money, man, we ain't gon' stop. You already know, we gon' get to the drop. Then I call your bitch up and then I'ma get the drop. Tell her get with me unless she got the bread. I don't really wanna say much though, but I'll take the head though. Shit, you already know. Put it in the back, you already know. Tell her to come back, then you do it. Bitch come through, she gon' get into it. She gon' get into it. Then I hit my nigga hurry up, like what's up? Here we gon' bring these bitches back. She gon' bend over, take it from the back. Cause you know how I do it though, doggy style, bitch. I ain't tryna look you in your face and make love, bitch. I'm tryna build, I ain't tryna build shit up, I'm tryna break it up. Beat it up in the back. You already know I get to the cash. Smooth gang, you already know I do a shit. Do 2 guns like Max Payne. And you know I give her that bad pain. After I blow her out, she out of service. Bitch, I'm on it. Tell your bitch get on it, cause she already know what's up. Tall swag on the shit though. Tall swag on your bitch. Tell her come through, pick it up. Swag on the roof. You know the grind don't stop, man. This shit like the Energizer Bunny. Keep beating and beating and beating.
The grind don't stop. Never did, never will.